Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I'll show you how to install dual messenger in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. First, open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to advanced features. From here scroll down again and then go to dual messenger option. Now from here you can install second copy of WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram and Messenger. Now just tap here to install dual messenger. Then tap on install. And it's done. Now dual messenger has been installed successfully. If you want to use separate contact list, then just enable this option from here. Now just go to your app screen and here it is. Now just open it. Now your second copy of messenger is ready for use. From here you can log in or sign up your Facebook account. And that is how you can install dual messenger in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.